Hello everyone, in this video we will compare Pop! OS and Ubuntu. Pop! OS and Ubuntu are both Linux distributions based on Debian, but they cater to slightly different user experience. Pop! OS is a clean, fast and user-friendly Linux operating system made by System 76. It's based on Ubuntu but feels more modern and smooth, especially with its sleek desktop look. One of its best features is auto-tiling, which organizes windows neatly for multitasking. It works great for developers, gamers, and people with powerful hardware like NVIDIA graphics card. Pop! OS also avoids unnecessary software, so it's lightweight and runs fast. Installing app is easy and updates are regularly and stable. Ubuntu is one of the most popular and beginner-friendly Linux operating systems. It's stable, easy to install, and works well on most computers right out the box. The user interface is simple and clean, making it great for people switching from Windows or Mac OS. Ubuntu has a huge community, so finding help or guides online is easy. It comes with useful software pre-installed, and you can add more thoughts its App Store. Regular updates keeps your system secure and up to date. In my opinion, Pop! OS is better for power users and developers, while Ubuntu is better for beginners and general use. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.